Welcome back to Today in History. Get ready to journey through time as we uncover 20 mind-blowing events that happened on December 4th throughout the ages. From royal plots to space odysseys, this list is packed with surprises that'll make you the ultimate history buff. If you're excited to dive into the past and have some laughs along the way, hit that subscribe button and join our adventure. Number 20. On December 4th, 771, Carloman I, king of the Franks, mysteriously dies. His brother Charlemagne inherits the entire kingdom, setting the stage for legendary conquests. Number 19. December 4th, 1619, 38 colonists arrive at Berkeley Hundred in Virginia and hold the first Thanksgiving in America. Move over, Pilgrims. These guys were feasting before it was cool. Number 18. On December 4th, 1676, the Battle of Lund takes place, one of the bloodiest battles in Scandinavian history. Sweden defeats Denmark, proving that Vikings still had some fight left, even without the horned helmets. Number 17, December 4th, 1791. The Observer, the world's first Sunday newspaper, is published in London. Because even in the 18th century, people needed something to read with their morning tea and crumpets. Number 16. On December 4th, 1872, the mystery ship Mary Celeste is found deserted in the Atlantic Ocean, crew missing, cargo intact. It's the original ghost ship. Scooby-Doo would have had a field day with this one. Number 15. December 4th, 1909, the Montreal Canadiens hockey team is founded. They go on to become the oldest and one of the most successful teams in NHL history. Number 14. On December 4th, 1918, President Woodrow Wilson sets sail for the World War I peace talks in Versailles. He becomes the first U.S. president to travel to Europe while in office. Number 13. December 4th, 1954, the first Burger King opens in Miami, Florida. The Whopper is born, and our taste buds have been grateful ever since. Fast food royalty has entered the building. Number 12. On December 4th, 1961, the Museum of Modern Art in New York acquires Henri Matisse's Le Bateau after hanging it upside down for 47 days. Number 11. December 4th, 1971, the United Nations adopts a resolution to tackle environmental issues, leading to the creation of UNEP. Mother Earth gets her own advocate. About time we started cleaning up our room. Number 10. On December 4th, 1977, Jean-Bédel Bokassa crowns himself Emperor of the Central African Empire in a lavish ceremony. Move over, Napoleon. There's a new self-crowned emperor in town with a flair for the dramatic. Number 9. December 4th, 1991, Pan American World Airways ceases operations after 64 years. The iconic airline takes its final flight into the sunset. So long, and thanks for all the peanuts. Number 8. On December 4th, 1998, the Unity module, the first U.S. component of the International Space Station, is launched. Space roommates incoming. Hope they remember to label their food. Number 7. December 4th, 2005, thousands in Hong Kong march for democracy and universal suffrage. When the people speak, they really make a walk of it. Number 6. On December 4th, 2006, the New York City Transit Authority introduces the holiday Nostalgia Train, featuring vintage 1930s cars. Commuters time travel without a flux capacitor, just a Metro card. Number 5. December 4th, 2010, NASA's Voyager. One spacecraft reaches the edge of our solar system. Talk about going the distance. This probe put Forrest Gump to shame. Number 4. On December 4th, 2012, Typhoon Bopha hits the Philippines, reminding us that Mother Nature can be both beautiful and a bit of a drama queen. Number 3. December 4th, 2014, Japanese space agency JAXA launches Hayabusa 2 on a mission to an asteroid. Because who needs souvenirs from Earth when you can bring back space rocks? Number 2. On December 4th, 2017, Russia is banned from the 2018 Winter Olympics over doping scandals. Looks like they had a bit too much Olympic spirit in their system. Number 1. December 4th, 2019, Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin stepped down from their roles at Alphabet Inc. Time to Google how to spend their billions. Thanks for exploring these amazing December 4th moments with us. If you had a blast traveling through time and picking up some wild facts, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more historical hijinks. Drop a comment about which event surprised you the most. Stay curious, and see you next time.